Hi guys, this is Lucana Farmer, New York. Welcome back again to my channel.
Sumuka din di amyanan, lugar ka ilukwan, kagangay kapta, akas katawyan, may subsuba dilat kaaduan, nagtip kaming karikatan, kumaramot.
Good day everyone, this is Lucana and welcome back again to my channel. And today's vlog is about my daughter who voluntarily asked us to show her how to butcher a chicken. So of course, as a parents, and that's what we do, we are farmers and we do a lot of things, so it's our opportunity to show her this stuff. So there you go guys, manood lang kayo and see how she did. Okay. That's Daddy Little Helper. No, not there, Kate, not there.
The other side, okay?
Other side.
Hold it like that.
Hold it, don't move.
Put the pressure on,
Hold that one.
then back and forth. You have to make sure it's level like that. Back and forth.
Here?
Yeah. There you go.
Yay! Don't move your other hand. Just, you know. Right here naman mag...
Kanta pa yung picture.
Right here? Yeah, then... Right. Good. There you go. Yan, natuto ka habang...
See the angle here? There, that's the angle like that. Like when you're drawing. You need to have the angle. That's the angle right there. 180. This way.
More? You miss one over. You miss one.
Huwag pala tatakwa.
Huh?
Hindi panat.
Yay! Yeah. There you go. Careful with your finger, okay? Good job. Ayan, yung anak ko, she's learning how to cut chicken feet. How to remove chicken feet.
Soon I'm gonna be retiring soon.
Oh no, you're not making me do this.
You will do farming. You have to be a chicken squatter. There you go.
Ayan.
You got it, kid.
I have no idea what that's my job.
Alright, there she is. This easy to learn. Yeah. We're trying to teach our youngest daughter to do
Hold it.
some work. Oh yeah. Train the child while they're still young, they said. Wow, look at that.
She got that from me.
No, I didn't. I got it from my mother.
Who's your brother? I don't have it.
Mother!
Oh, you got it from me?
My dad. Why? Why? Why?
Wow.
Why?
Careful with your arm, okay?
Look at this. I'm letting Dad do that one.
Una. One, pagbit na dato. Good job. Ayan. Kinatay lahat ng anak ko to. Marunong na siya. Make sure your arm. What's up? Okay. Okay, great. Marunong na siya. Mana sa amin. Future farmer. Okay.
Why?
Good job. Ah, the strong arm. Look at that. Yay! What about me? You are now a pro. Congratulations. Yay. Galing na. Galing na. That's my little helper. Say hi, yeah. Good job, Kate.
other side. Okay, straight. Same with the other side. Same thing. There you go. And you're supposed to cut like that. That. Yeah.
Chicken.
Great job. I'm proud of you. You can show you to your cousin that you know how to butcher chicken. Yes. Oh, perfect. Watch out your hand, okay?
You know that your mom doesn't have to hard like that.
I know.
You have to teach your mom.
Wow, at the beginning, yes, I don't know.
Yay.
Good job, Kate. No, the wings, I didn't even know that one. Oh, my God!
How did you do that?
Wow! So proud of her. She's doing great. You're the best, Kate. Oh, look at that crack.
What crack?
Oh, look at that. You're just the only girl I've ever seen knows how to butcher chicken.
This is way that weird. Is that already what?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I
Yeah, but maybe because he... Careful, careful. And careful. Don't get rust, okay? Yay! Perfect. So that's it, guys. As you can see, we didn't force her. She's having fun on doing it, and I think she's better than any kids that I know yet. So it is very impressive, and thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys can learn something about this too. If your children are willing to learn something, then take that opportunity, grab it, and then show it, and then give your child a good praise, because they will motivate well when you're praising them while doing the right thing. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. So sa next video naman po, I will show you how and where we get our organic eggs. Stay tuned.